Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope so you all will be fine. Today we are going to start our new chapter number 5, and the chapter name is physical state of matter. As you know, matter is everything all around us and anything that take up space, volume and occupy area is known as matter. So in this chapter we will study about all its state and the factors that affecting on its state. So matter exists in 3 physical state. First one is gas, second one is liquid, and other one is solid. But for your extra information, there are 4th state of matter, that is called plasma. The simplest form of matter is gaseous state. Liquids are less common and most of the matter exists as solid. Like you can see all around yourself that mostly things are made up of solids, like your furniture, your chair, your cupboard and all other things. But there are many less things that are formed of liquid, like your water for drinking and potable water and juices and soft drinks. And there are less or least common use of gases, and they are present only in your cylinders or in your body spray and cosmetics. So matter in gaseous state does not have definite shape and volume. Like whenever you will see the gases, you will not see that they have a proper shape or any volume. They will move all around here and there, and their molecules are far apart from each other. Therefore gases occupy all the available space. Their intermolecular forces, intermolecular forces, the forces between the molecule, are very weak. Pressure is a significant property of gases. Like when we put pressure on the gases, they will press. The effect, that's why the gas present in our cylinder is compressed gas. The effect of the pressure and temperature on volume of a gas has been studied quite extensively, like in a long manner. The liquid state has a strong intermolecular forces and hence it has a definite volume, but it doesn't have a definite shape, because liquid take the shape of that thing in which we will put it. Like you have a glass of water, when you put it in a cup or anything else, it will take the shape of that thing. It has no definite shape, but its volume will remain same. When you will put one glass of water in a jug or anything else, it will be remain that volume. Its volume will not be changed, like it will not be become 2 glass of water. It attains mean it takes shape. It attains the shape of the container. Container mean anything in which something is contained, is poured, in which it's kept. Liquid evaporate is a process in which water is formed as in the shape of drops and go to the outer atmosphere. Liquid evaporates and their vapors exert pressure. When vapor pressure of a liquid becomes equal to external pressure, it boils. Like if you are heating a cool water, then when it will be boil at that point when it will become to external pressure. Liquid are less mobile. Mobile mean they are movable. Liquid are less mobile because their intermolecular forces are not as much strong as in gases. Liquids are solid. Liquids are less mobile than gases because they diffuse slowly. Because gases have very vast spaces between them, they are freely movable. Liquid are less mobile. The solid state has definite volume and shape. Definitely, the solids are very hard. Solids are very compact because their so they are rigid and denser than liquid and gases. They exist in amorphous or crystalline form. Amorphous or crystalline form are that type of form in which molecule can be seen on both sides. Crystalline mean a very clear form. Gaseous state. In this topic we will study about gaseous states, how many factors that affect the gaseous state of matter. Typical properties that can be seen or that can be observed easily. Gases have similar physical property. A few typical properties are discussed here. First one is diffusion. Diffusion is actually if molecule move in random motion and move from higher position to lower position, that will be diffusion. Gases can diffuse very rapidly, can move out very rapidly, fastly. Diffusion is defined as spontaneous mixing. Spontaneous mean itself mixing very quickly, mixing up of molecule by random motion. Random motion, not uniform. abrupt motion, and collision mean breaking with each other to form a homogeneous mixture. Homo means same, genus mean mixture, genus mean molecules, homogeneous mixture of same molecule. So diffusion is defined as spontaneous mixing of molecule by random motion, and collision to form a homogeneous mixture when the molecule of gases move with each other at fast rate, then they will form a same mixture of same molecule that will call homogeneous mixture. Rate of diffusion depend upon the molecular mass of the gases. Molecular mass is the total mass of the molecules present in the gas. Lighter gases diffuse rapidly than heavier gases because lighter gas have lower molecular weight than heavier have higher molecular weight. For example, H2 diffuse 4 times faster than O2 molecule because hydrogen molecular mass is smaller than oxygen. So other example is effusion. Effusion, it is escaping. E stand for effusion, escaping or vanishing. It is escaping of gas molecule through a tiny hole into a space with lesser pressure. When we apply a little amount of pressure, then the molecule of gas will escape or move from that point through a very small hole, that is called effusion. For example, when a tire gets punctured, air effuses out a very little hole create in the tire of the any vehicle, then the molecule of air or gases will effuse out, will move out. Effusion depend upon molecular mass. Lighter gases effuse faster than heavy gases, definitely due to their molecular mass or due to their weight. Other is pressure. Gas molecules are always in continuous state of motion. Continuous mean always. They are always in state of motion. Their molecules are always colliding with each other. Hence, when molecules strike mean when they will attack each other with the walls of the container or any surface or any other surface, they exert pressure. Like when you can take example of your home cylinder, or you can take example of your cosmetic bottle or a perfume bottle or body spray. The molecule of gases inside them are always colliding and attacking with each other. And when we press the knob of the perfume or spray bottle, then the molecules of the gases strike with each other and then effuse out from that tiny hole. Pressure is defined as the force exerted per unit surface area. So pressure is equal to force and area. The system international SI unit of force is Newton, because Newton has discovered this force, and that of the area is mass square. Hence, pressure has system international unit of Newton meter per second. It also called Pascal. It also called Pascal. 1 Pascal is equal to PA stand for Pascal is equal to 1 Newton meter square. Barometer is an instrument used to measure atmospheric pressure, the pressure of atmosphere, and manometer is used to measure pressure in laboratory. So that was our topic for today. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.